Hello guys, welcome once again to ChiShona. We continue with our Shona nouns series, and this time we are going into the wild. We are going to learn some names of wild fruits that are found in Zimbabwe. Michero yesango. These are from indigenous trees that are found in Zimbabwe. The fruits that we used to eat whilst we were growing up. My presentation is gonna be like this. This part is the singular noun and the plural. Down here we've got the common name or the English name, and right here in red it's the botanical name or the scientific name. I will not bother myself pronouncing these names here. I will just display them there for you to see in case you want to research more about these fruits. So the first fruit here we have is Lamba. So the plural is matamba, and is the monkey orange. Next up is Dowe or Matowe. It's commonly known as the snot apple. Followed by Dufu or Matufu. It's called the wild medlar. Acha, very common also. It's acha, singular and the plural. It's the same word. And it's called the Mobola Plum. Followed by Hute, singular and plural. It's called the waterberry. Waterberry. The next fruit we have there is the sau or masau, and it's called the Jujube Fruit. Followed by Shuma, single and plural, and it's called the Jacobberry. Nunguru is called the Governor's Plum. Chanzwa is the sour plum. And last but not least is the sugar plum, the sweetest of them all, and it's called Janje or Majanje. Here's our summary. We covered Matamba, Matowe, Matufu, Acha, Hute, Masau, Shuma, Nunguru, Chanzwa, and Majanje. There are a lot more other fruits that are found in the world, but I just thought of listing these ones for now. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting ChiShona. See you in the next installment. Goodbye.